Nike SB is once again pushing its boundaries with the upcoming Air Max 95 Cacao Wow, set for early 2026. Following the hype of the Cactus Flower, which proved popular despite doubts about skate readiness, this release brings similar skate-focused updates. Reinforced suede and leather, a lowered insole, and herringbone tread aim to balance durability with board feel. The design borrows its earthy tones from the women's velvet brown Air Max 95, while retaining classic details like the black midsole and white lining. By blending Air Max heritage with skateboarding function, Nike SB shows its commitment to both honoring tradition and challenging expectations. This crossover not only appeals to collectors but also signals how unconventional silhouettes can be embraced within skate culture. In the end, versatility and consumer demand continue to drive Nike SB's growing presence across sneaker and skateboarding communities.